Hello, my name is Gottfried, and welcome to a mini Java series on the book Precisely Java by Peter Sestoft. In this video, we will be covering Chapter 2, Names and Reserved Names. So overall, this chapter goes over the legal and illegal ways you can name things such as classes, methods, and objects in Java. And this chapter also covers names that you cannot use. So overall, it is going to be a very short chapter, so let's just get straight into the code. In Java, a name given to an object, file, variable, or method can start with a letter, a $sign, or an underscore character. Nothing else. So for example, you can't start a name with a semicolon. That is not a legal way to name any object or variable in Java. For class names, normally we want to avoid starting the name using $signs or underscore characters. Even though these are legal ways to name objects, class names should ideally be started with a capital letter. For naming variables and methods, there are naming conventions that developers and teams use, such as snake case notation or camel case notations. Those are quite popular and are used a lot in the industry. So do not go crazy thinking that I can name my object any way that I please, because code readability matters here. So you want to keep that in the back of your mind. Finally, in this chapter, it lists out reserved names. So these are names that cannot be used in your program because Java already claimed them, so you cannot use them. Think of them as existing objects already in your code, so you can't essentially use the same name for two things at the same time. And that is it for this chapter. As a summary, it covered proper ways to name variables and objects in Java. It also touched on some reserved names that cannot be used in your code. So that is all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye.